Hi there. It's Gil Braga here. It's Geek Week, so I consider myself a geek at times, not 24/7. So I decided to make a little screencast for those teachers that I've worked with, and I know that a lot of teachers out there struggle with some basic um, computer strategies, computer skills. So we're going to talk a little bit about embedding a video to your blog or to your website, which is something that most of you who are listening and watching this screencast right now don't even care about. So you can just shut it off, move on, go find something more complicated because this is going to be very basic. In the past, the blog um, hosts, if you had a blog, you really had to understand at least a little bit of HTML to post a video or to post not photos, but a video or alter a code on your blog. Nowadays, it's very simple. Normally, most blogs will just require you to put the link of the video there. However, if you want to change the size of your video, you should understand a little bit about the embedding, and that means knowing a tiny bit of HTML. For those who don't know, HTML is it's like a language. Well, it actually means hypertext markup language. And so it's like a different language that somebody learns, and although it's quite simple, it takes it there's a learning curve. So let's make this video short. Let's go straight to it. I already have my Blogger back office here, and I'm gonna go to my posts, and I already started a post. I'm doing a blog on education and trying to do a today in history almost every day. And today the theme was Anne Frank. She was captured by the Nazis on this day in 1944. So I want to add two videos of Anne Frank here. There's one which is the only known footage of Anne Frank in her house in Amsterdam because before she had to go into hiding. Um, so we're gonna go here to YouTube. No, that's not it. It's this one, and I searched Anne Frank video footage, as you can see, and in here, first result, Anne Frank, the only existing film images. So we're gonna open this video. The video is gonna start playing. I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna scroll it down here a little bit, and you're gonna see share. Click on the share button, and it automatically gives you the option to share on Blogger, but that would be the easy way. And you see that Blogger would ask me to put the link there, but we're going to go here to the embedded, okay, and we're going to do it the old way. Actually, let's do it the easy way on this one and do it the old way on the other one. So I'm going to go here to Blogger. It's going to open a window, and it says education with love and all in all, but I don't want this to be my post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close this, because if I choose this, this will be the post, and the post will be the video by itself. So I want to add, I'm going to leave this, I want to add the video to my existing post. So let's go to the post. See, I selected here where I want the video, and I'm going to go to this button here on top, insert a video, and it's going to ask me if I want to upload, if I want to choose from YouTube, if I want to choose the videos that I already have from my phone, or if I want to record from a webcam. So I'm going to go to from YouTube, and you see here it just asks me to search the videos I want. So I'm going to do the same thing and put Annie Frank footage. I'm going to search. So this makes it much easier. And see the first video, first two videos are 21 seconds, and it's pretty much the one. Look, the one I wanted to use is the Anne Frank, the only existing film images. So I'm gonna click, select this one, and it's gonna show, gonna play a little bit. So is that what I want? Yes, that's exactly it. Select, and boom, it's there. But notice that the video, it doesn't have, it doesn't change the size. The video is that. But what if I want the video to be bigger? Well, that's simple. What you're gonna do is, where it says compose here on top of the toolbar, you can go to HTML. And now, if you don't know HTML, please don't freak out. You're not gonna understand anything that you see, but I will help you out. So notice that it's right here in the paragraph that says the Franks went into hiding out of fear to be taken to one of the concentration camps, and it ends with helped by some Christian friends who brought them food and supplies. And then the video is right below that. So you need to kind of, if you're not very savvy with HTML, you need to know where your video is going to be at. After what text. So after some Christian friends who brought them food and supplies. So again, let's go to the HTML. So you have to go, the Franks went into hiding, food and supplies, right here. And this this BR means break. So it means like when you hit the space bar. And then you have a division which separates, and here has the object. The object is my video, okay? And it says class blogger YouTube video, if you can see it here. So you know that that's the video, okay? And here I have the width and the height of my video, and I can change that to whatever I want. So I don't know if I want to make it too big, so I'm gonna make it it's 320. I'm gonna make it 480 by 360. I think that's good. So I just change it here. Here, the embedded width, like value true. Down here, allow full screen. Yes, if I wanted to change that, if I don't want to allow full screen, I will just eliminate that. Background color, it's white. And how do I know that? See, I'm sorry, I'm going ahead of the game here. This FFFFFF means white. If it was 00000, would be black. And width, I'm going to change it again to 480 to 360 in the height here. There it is. That's pretty much it. And I'm going to save it. It did save. Oh, it did save. Go back to compose. Now the video looks bigger, as you can see here. Changed automatically. And I think I'm going to choose to publish, just so we can see how it looks like when you publish the video. Because if you don't like, you can go back and edit your post and change the size again. And that's how you use and play with HTML on your blog post. So let's wait for it to publish. I don't want to share right now. Cancel. Let's go see the posts. Here it is. Okay, let's go back here to my blogs and go here to view blog. Today in history, and Frank is captured. And there it is, the size I wanted. I might have to change it a little bit because, as you can see, the bar here, I don't know if it looks right to you. I don't know. Yeah, no, it's okay. There is the video. And if you didn't know, you can go to iHeartEducationJournal.blogspot.com and you can see the video. And there's Anne Frank right here on the window. And that's the only footage of Anne Frank. All right. So my name is Gil Braga. This is a 10-minute little tutorial on how to put HTML on your blog on Blogger. Have a great day. I'll see you guys soon.